Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now I want to give you the clear information regarding data visualization and what are the various available data visualization tools and what is the difference among them. So today we are going to see just the introduction of the data visualization, and the next video I will give you the information regarding how the data visualization tools are differ from each other, like Power BI and ClickSense, etc., etc. So now we see what is the definition of the data visualization. Normally, what is data visualization? See, whatever thing that is there, whatever context you identify, whatever patterns and relationships you identify, you just present them in the form of a graph or in the form of a chart or in the form of a bars, etc., etc., or any other visualites, you will represent them. To represent such a kind of the relationships, correlations and all, you make use of any kind of visualization or any visual aid. This is called the data visualization. Okay, so you're translating the data, you're identifying the relationships among the data, you're identifying the patterns of the data, etc., etc., and you're presenting them with the help of some visual aids. That is the data visualization. And it also uses some kind of images to communicate relationships between various sets of the data. Not only bar charts, pie charts, etc., etc., donuts pie are also one of the charts, and as well as it make use of some kind of the images. Geographical images is one of the example, and other kind of the images also it make use to represent such a kind of the relationships of the data. Okay, next. Okay, so what are the things we see in the data visualization? In the previous slide, we discussed about it is going to represent various relations among the data, and not only the relations among the data, it also represents the correlations among the data items, and as well as identification of the patterns and how they are interrelated and correlated, and also useful for identifying what is the outlier from the existing set and how can we analyze the percentage of the outliers, how can we represent certain kind of the outliers by the help of the visual aids like such a kind of the graphs. So not only this data visualization helps you to identify the relationships only, but also used to identify correlation, interrelation, and as well as various kinds of the outliers and analyzing them, and also called as information visualization and also called as information graphics and statistical graphics. So basically it's a process of the data science, and which tells after all the data we have collected, processed and models, whatever data is there that to be represented in the form of the visualization. So this is the final step actually in the data science life cycle. The visualization is the final part, so where we can make the data conclusions, where we can make the decisions, the final decisions, etc., etc., are useful for this data visualizations. Okay, so that is the data visualization. And now this is also a part of broader discipline of data representation architecture. So there is a concept called data presentation architecture. So here the data visualization is one of the part and parcel of it. Okay, so what is the purpose of it actually? To find, to manipulate, format and deliver the data in a best way possible. Okay, so in a data presentation architecture, this data visualization is also one of the part and parcel, and as well as it also used to find, manipulate, format, deliver data in the best way possible. And next we are going to see what are the various visualization tools which are available in the real world. One is the Power BI, second one is Tableau, third one is ClickSense, and fourth one is Google Looker Studio. These are the most widely used data visualization tools in the market. So in the coming video we will see what are the various differences among these number of the tools. Okay, if at all anyone didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.